What's up, traders? Welcome to Currency Wealth Exchange. And today we are about to give you our daily market update. As you can see, starting as always with the dollar strength, the dollar index. Now, we can see that Monday we did not do anything. Tuesday we did nothing as well. So I expect Wednesday to be the same until Friday on NFP. Maybe we might reach this level or rather not. But also, what I would like to keep in mind is the fact that we are right at the 50% Fibonacci retracement area. Now, what this means, this is a potential great place to look for selling opportunities. Now, if you were going to sell, or if I was going to sell, excuse me, I would like to see momentum like this breaking below this area which I've highlighted here. This is the broken resistance which turns support. So if I am going to look for sales, I have to go back and retest the area to continue going down towards this area to make new lows. Now, this is only if the 50% retracement area of Fibonacci will hold. Now, if it does not hold and the market continues to give us a consolidation like the past few days, or the market continue to give us a more deeper pullback, this will be what I personally would be looking for. Now, if it stays like this for today on Wednesday, and then maybe on Thursday stays like this, Friday, we will still be looking for bearish opportunities. Yet, if this opportunity right now goes beyond and extend this as our next target, then the broken support, which is now turning resistance here, will still confirm selling opportunities to the downside. Now, both scenario, this scenario is for a consolidation up until Friday, and this scenario here is for a more deeper pullback. Now, let me not waste further time explaining this. Let's go straight over to the currencies that include the dollar strength and see how they are performing against the dollar. Now, this is the euro and the dollar. Now, with the euro and the dollar, it is not on the 50% retracement area, as the euro is much weaker than the dollar in our currency strength comparison. Now, without wasting further time, this is still opportunity one, where we are here at broken resistance is now turning support with the red line. And now from Monday, I expected this and one more low, but this low I was expecting it to be beyond our expectations, as this euro pair continued to be slow. But instead, what did we receive? We received a point whereby this euro pair did not, it failed. It came down as I expected, created a new low, and then it failed, got back up, created a new low, and now it's failing. Now, what I'm seeing here is a bounce on our highlighted area twice or maybe three times, as the broken resistance turning support here. Now, what I would like to still see is find a buying opportunities right now, or when the market suits you, to continue going higher with this pair. Now, euro and the dollar pair is a free signal analysis. We give you whether you are registered with us or whether you are not registered with us. Now, this is where we showcase our skill, or this is where we showcase our success rate of trading signal. Without wasting again your time, let me go through this one more time. We are still structured to the upside. Even if we might fail at this area, retest, and then continue down, this will still be a great place for me to look for bullish opportunities, whether it will be this week or next week. Now we are going to NFP. Non-farm payrolls as expected on Friday, will create enough volatility in the market so that you can make enough money. Now, in the past few months, if you were following us through the NFPs, we made money days before NFP arrived, and then when the NFP releases got printed out, we were right, or the market technicals we were using were ahead of the market data. But on this week's NFP, what I'm expecting to see is dollar weakness. I would explain the fundamentals to you, but in simple terms, what I would say is I heard the rumor that the Fed has been holding down uh, growth and inflation numbers on the US. So this simply means that we will be expecting more because unemployment is going down, both from the private sector of NFP and unemployment labor from the government, the US government. Everything is going down. So hence, I'm expecting a much bearish pressure from this. Now, after this, we are looking for up. I'm not wasting any time. I'm just showing you what trading with us is like. We will show you other signals of the VIP group after this video. But without wasting further time, let me go over to the last but not least, a free GBP US dollar pair. In this pair, we will give you for free, whether you are registered with us or not registered with us. You will get these signals. Euro dollar is for free, the pound dollar is for free, but the rest is still free only when you are registered with us and when you have a real account. You cannot join our community crew with a demo account. Now, let's go over to the pound and the dollar and find out what the market has in store for us today. And the last of our free, and I continue free VIP signals which you will receive whether registered or not is pound and the US dollar. Now, pound and the US dollar, as you can probably see, it is way stronger than the euro. In fact, the pound is one of the best buys in this week. Hence, I will show you what signals we have took on the VIP, which is exclusive for real account traders. I will show you how we are making money with pound, or how we are going to make money with pound for the rest of the week. Now, today, pound, yesterday, just like the dollar, the market did nothing. It was a slow Monday. On Tuesday, the dollar came in with strength, but it was not enough in our pound dollar to bring it to even our first area of broken resistance turning support, but it does not necessarily mean we are not capable or we cannot buy this, because we understand the concept that if a strong currency is against a weak currency, you are supposed to go with the strong currency and not argue with price or the market. Now, without saying a lot of things, let me show you what I expect from this. We have retested this area right here, which is just above the buy zone. It is highlighted for the exclusive members as the area for the first bullish continuation. Now, after this little bounce here, I think we might still be going up to create new highs. But if we do not, and this continues to be a consolidating week, or a weaker pound comes in for the last day today, we are going to receive a signal like this, in which we will retest again or go straight here, which is our first opportunity, and then go here. Whether we have lost here or not, we will still be available here, and whether we lose here or not, we will still be available on our last chance, which is the second place, to look for buying opportunities, which is so staggered because you can see the buy zone here and the buy zone here. This simply means that it is overbought on all time frames. So this will be the highest move with the probability. But given the fact that the pound is stronger than the dollar, I highly doubt we will ever get to this area of 1.2972 and 1.2817. Now, these currencies are all intertwined with strength. If a strong currency is paired with a strong currency, you are going to get a consolidating market like this because they are both strong, and it means you are trading the wrong market. But if the market is trading and you are taking one strong currency versus a weak currency, you will see stuff like this. The market will fall hard, or the market will buy hard because you are looking at the strongest versus the weakest. Now, be careful when trading because you do not want to find yourself stuck in a consolidative market only because you are trying to trade or you are not trying to miss a trading opportunity. Now, without wasting further time, let me show you only two pairs that we trade or that we are already in signal with, which is the dollar, the pound, the NZD, excuse me, the NZD and the dollar. And last but not least will be the pound and the Canadian dollar. So let's go over straight to the charts and find out what the markets have in store for us. Now, this is only for exclusive traders, people who have real account. These are the type of signals that we give. We are still in the early stages of this buy. We have bought around here. Yes, I don't have my phone with me right now. It's on a charger. I would confirm the price with you. But if you are with us on the private signal group, you already know which price we took and we are still in it. But without wasting further time, from last week, this has been the momentum. And I was expecting it to bounce from here. We made money from last week. If you remember right, we sold from here to take profit here. This was our sell because we were expecting it. But this kind of sell, as I always say, they are dangerous to do and they might cause someone who's not disciplined to become greedy to trade every wave. Now, last but not least, we are trying to show you that this will be our next target. As you can see, we have already highlighted on the VIP that this is take profit one. We don't have take profit one, we don't have take profit two on the VIP because we are taking swing trades, longer trades that make more money. Now, this will be 0.6369. This is take profit of NZD USD. Now, it doesn't necessarily go straight up and shoots up like this, but it might in turn and then go up. Now, if you have patience for this, you will make money. But if you get out when you are experiencing this, you will start lacking. This is what we teach. This is what the community is all about when we are trading in our group. We make sure that there's no negative energy. There is nobody who is there who is emotionally immature and who would make stupid decisions while we are still in there. We will cut and help all those who believe that trading is the best. Now, without wasting further time, let's go over to the last but not least, pound and the Canadian dollar. Now, pound and the Canadian dollar has a very specific and structured system, which is why I'm going to show you why I trade the pound and the dollar. Now, pound and the dollar is a very special pair going into this week. Why? Because as you can see, pound is one of the strongest currencies this week or at this momentum. The sentiment says and shows that the pound is one of the best buys paired against all currency pairs. But it cannot be all because it's not the only one which is strong. So we need other currency pairs to join and make sure that this one is weak is paired with the strongest one. This one is strong is paired with the weakest one. Now let's go on to this chart and show you what in the VIP group, why did we buy this. Now Since pound is the strongest of them all, Canadian dollar is the weakest of them all, and more especially going into today, half past 3, if I'm not mistaken, half past 3 p.m. South African time, there will be something called an interest rate decision. An interest rate decision is expected to be weaker than expected. Hence, this is a 4-hour chart for everyone else. Hence, this might be the case, and then we fly high. But this, and it is expected to go weaker than expected. The CAD is cutting rates. The Canadian dollar is cutting rates. Do you understand? The Canadian dollar is cutting rates. What does that mean? It simply means that the Canadian dollar is going to be even more weaker today, later on Thursday, and on Friday, if the pound will still be strong on Friday. But the majority of of Canadian dollar pairs will be selling the Canadian dollar. Now, this will be the best signal of the week. I mark it without even opening a trade, but I can already tell you that this is by far going to be the best signal of the week. Don't forget to receive trading signals like this with knowledge, experience, and a whole loving community of traders who understand what it's like to struggle finding a consistent and reliable group. Please, you just have to register under the IB link we post under this video, or contact us on the WhatsApp number that we leave under this video. Make sure, please do make sure that you register, and that after you register, you WhatsApp us, you contact us. After you've contacted us, you and shown us that you have, or proved to us that you have funded your account, you will be automatically added to our group, where a group of other traders are enjoying making profits with different currency pairs. Now, this is last but not least for us. We have to say, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure that every time we are here, you do not miss a video, because it can help you whether with information or making money. Happy trading day today, and remember, don't forget to trade safe and responsibly.